like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, like diamonds in the sky. Make some noise, mother people! Hey, hey, hey! I want to hear you scream! Where have you been? Oh my life, oh my life. Where have you been all my life? 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 I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe, looking for you, babe, searching for you, babe. Yeah. Where have you been? 'Cause I never see you out. Are you hiding from me? Somewhere in the crowd. Hey, 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 hey. Where have you been? Oh my life, oh my life. Where have you been all my life? 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 We found love in a hopeless place. 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 Yellow diamonds in the light that was tending side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to go alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. 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 Muslim people, make some noise! Hey, 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 hey. Let's go, let's go! Hey, let's go! We found love in a hopeless place. 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 Trust to trust, nose to nose, heart to heart, with the road is just that close. Face to wrist, toe to toe, lips that fell just like the inside of a rose. I reach out my finger. You know this. What's up, brother people? Ba, 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 ba. gabi sa inyong lahat! Magandang gabi sa inyo at alam ko ako pinakamaganda ngayong gabi kaysa naman sa inyo. Charot! I love you! I love you too. Mahigit 10 taon na po nung huli ako nakapunta rito at masayang-masaya ako na dito ulit ako natakpuan sa Iloilo, sa lugar ninyo sa Kimban. Maraming salamat po. And happy Bantayan Festival! Just, nadadama ko kung anong nararamdaman na tumatakbo sa isipan niyo. Hindi nyo ina-expect na sa muling pagbalik ko rito, hindi nyo ina-expect na ganito na ako kaganda sa personal. Sobrang ganon! Sobrang Latino, mga bakla kayo! Ayan. Maraming salamat po dahil kahit yung camera niya itaas yung masa mukha, hindi puro dito yung shot. Okay. So maraming salamat po. Sobra ko na-appreciate yung pag-aantay niyo po sa akin kahit hindi na maaga, kahit medyo late na nandito pa rin kayo, especially yung mga nandito sa harapan na maagang nagpunta tapos hindi na makaalis, wala nang choice. Hindi antayin ako. Maraming salamat. I love you very much! I love you very much, madlang people! Maraming salamat, lalo sa mga patuloy pa rin nanonood ng Showtime. Nanonood pa ba kayo ng Showtime? Yes! Sinong pinakamaganda sa Showtime? Gago ka, Anchor, please. Ako daw. Okay. Sa pagbabalik ko po rito, actually yung pinerform ko kanina bonus lang yon, pero hindi talaga yun ang pakay ko. Dahil mahal na mahal ko kayo, meron akong gustong ipakilala sa inyong lahat. Meron akong friend na gustong i-introduce sa inyo at sana talaga bigyan ninyo ng tiwala ninyo. I would like to call on stage my very good friend, Sir George Royeca of Ang Kasangga Party List. Oh! Ayan, ito po si Sir George Royeca na Ang Kasangga Party List. Kami po ay malapit na magkaibigan at tinutulungan ko po siya, dine-endorse ko po siya dito sa nalalapit na eleksyon bilang ang aming first nominee sa Ang Kasangga Party List. Ako po ay hindi basta-basta nag-endorse at hindi ko po basta-basta ginagamit ang impluensya ko para magbigay ng anumang mensahe sa inyo. Pero this time, gusto ko pong sabihin talaga sa inyo na ang taong to at ang Kasangga Party List ay pinagkakatiwalaan ko.